What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kari Beats back with a POV, as y'all can see. Hey man, nighttime POV drive, man. I ain't did one of these in a minute. Probably gonna do these a little bit more, you know, just to give y'all a little different vibe, man. You know what I'm saying? I know it's hard to get thumbnails on the nighttime POVs, but hey, they more peaceful, you know what I'm saying? Less traffic, you feel me? Everything just a little more, you know what I'm saying? Just, I don't know, the vibes just be vibing. But make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. So you can join the Kari crew. I got stuck for a second just then. I was trying to, you know, think about two things at once. But yeah, just a good nighttime POV drive, man. Nothing too crazy, nothing too, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why the camera look like it's so zoomed in. But nothing too crazy. You feel me? We just vibing, chilling, probably make a little noise with y'all boy, man. Somebody burning pine wood out here. But as y'all can see, we got the green going, man. The green star, the green, you know what I'm saying? Trim. Nothing too crazy. Something slight, man. This video probably gonna be too long. I'm just, you know, really just driving, you know what I'm saying, getting the video. I feel like I ain't recorded in a minute, Kari crew, man, but we back, you know what I'm saying, trying to get to that 20K, boy, you know what I'm saying, y'all boy get y'all boy to 20K the quick way, you feel me? But how y'all boy feeling tonight, huh? Or tonight, morning, whatever time you watching it, when I drop it, probably gonna be in the daytime, obviously, but how y'all boy feeling, man? What's going on, man? How y'all boy feeling? Now, how y'all boy feel about that, about the Drake and Kendrick, you know what I'm saying? That whole, you know what I'm saying? How y'all feel about all that, man? Who y'all really think won? Because a lot of y'all gonna say Kendrick. A lot of y'all gonna say Kendrick just because, you know what I'm saying, it's Kendrick. But Drake really what, for Drake was snapping. Man, kind of hurt, boy. But excuse me, ugly. But yeah, man, like for Drake, bro, no lie, like Drake was rapping. I like when Drake rap, bro. That's the Drake I like. Like, you know what I'm saying? The vibe Drake cool. You know what I'm saying? That's more for the ladies, but that rapping Drake, hey. That rapping Drake, boy, could be rapping. Cuz. I rock with that too, man. Could be rapping. Stick 'em. But yeah, I like that Drake, man. That Drake be rapping, cuz. That Drake there be rapping, man. But I ain't gonna lie, now Kendrick was going crazy too, though. Cause Kendrick is, you know what I'm saying, he's very lyrical, you feel me? Like, he got them bars where you gonna listen to it and you listen to it another day and didn't hear that bar the first time, you know what I'm saying? He one of them. But at the same time, man, that boy Drake was, hey, Drake got them songs you could play on the radio, you feel me? Like, and still dish at the same time. You know what I'm saying? And then they got all the other allegations that, you know what I'm saying, Dre was lying. All that. How y'all feel? Y'all just let me know about the whole, how y'all feel about the whole little situation down below in the comment section, man. I want to know y'all boy input, man. And me personally, I just enjoy the entertainment. I mean, I ain't really tripping, you know what I'm saying? Kendrick got his song. But no lie though, all just aside, I ain't really listened to it. I ain't really paid too much attention to Kendrick, bro, until that song like Kill My Vibe, DNA, all that era. You feel me? To be honest, I'm not gonna lie. Don't shoot me in the comment section, but I'm just saying, like, that Kendrick, yeah. That beat don't kill my vibe. Please don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. Ugly. You know what I'm saying? That Kendrick right there, yeah. Hey, that whatever. Hey, that's the Kendrick I like. I ain't gonna lie. That's the Kendrick I like, man. But you know what I'm saying? Kendrick still Kendrick. I see why J. Cole, you know what I'm saying, stepped back from the beef, cause boy, them boy was dropping songs, but J. Cole like that. You know what I'm saying? Like J. Cole really like that, bro. So I don't know why he ain't just, you know what I'm saying? J. Cole really like that with them lyrics, bro. Like he could have went punch for punch. You feel me? Like he really could have, just off what he say. Even if it wasn't really a diss, just him rapping the way he rapped, bro, it would have just been hard. Like, man, J. Cole, man, he got to step it up and then go around. He got to step it up and then go around, man. But yeah, y'all let me know how y'all feel about that, man. I mean, it was entertainment, man. The rap game needed that, bro. Like how everybody else said, it really did. Like, to give it, like, you know what I'm saying, a little oomph, a little like, oh, boy, what's going on? But like everybody tuning in, everybody like, but somebody YouTube was jumping the past 2 weeks, boy, with all that going on. Somebody YouTube going crazy, videos on videos, everybody tuning in, views going stupid. Like, yeah, man, we needed that, man. We needed that. But yeah, we needed that, man. Y'all boy, let me know how y'all feel, man. Who y'all got? Y'all got Drake or Kendrick? Who won, for real? Be honest. Drake or Kendrick? Comment down below, man. Drake or Kendrick? Who won, man? Y'all look at this car right here. The lights on that mother so crazy. That mother look like a cyber truck, a cyber car. But yeah, man. Y'all let me know how y'all, you know what I'm saying, how y'all feel about that right there. Let me see if I can get another thunder in real quick. Hold on. Get another thumbnail, cuz. I be trying to get these thumbnails for y'all boys at nighttime, man. It be so dark out here. Feel me? But y'all see rocking with the stars. I got my snorkel lights on and my side markers on, you feel me? I got them bad boys on. Green just like everything else, you feel me? But yeah, just a slight calm, nighttime POV, a little noise making. You know what I'm saying? Street drive, you feel me? Light POV, man. And y'all comment down below, man. Do y'all like the light on or off? You feel me? When I be driving, do y'all like to see it like this? You know what I'm saying? How I see it on a regular. You feel me? Or do y'all, I don't know. It's like, I don't know why the lighting in here just not that great. I be turning all the lights on. I turn my brightness up on the dashboard so y'all can see everything. But yeah, man, I don't know. But man, if y'all ain't watched my last video, you feel me? The splitter, my front splitter has been broken. Shake my head. Front splitter has been broken, man. Unfortunately, an armadillo took it out, man. Armadillo took out my front splitter. Armadillo took out my front splitter, man. Insane, bro. Don't understand why. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why I was just sitting in the road, like, and there was a car riding beside me. You know what I'm saying? And I couldn't get over. I just had to, you know what I'm saying, weave over a little bit to where it don't get the middle of my bumper and really tear something up. But dang, man, I had to take it off. Olivia looked so ugly and naked, man. I'm probably gonna get out of the gas station somewhere so y'all can see. Probably get out of the gas station somewhere, man, so y'all can see. It's a gas station over here. I don't know if I want to go over here, but we gonna see. Ooh, y'all hear that underground? I got the baby underground too. I ain't got the aggressive one yet. You feel me, bro? Them niggas are doing a U-turn in the middle. Them niggas doing a U-turn with cars driving behind them with the light green. That's crazy. I just cleaned Olivia too, though. We're gonna see if it's enough room over here for me to. Okay. Yeah, let me show y'all, man, how Olivia bad naked, man. Dang, man. Olivia bad naked, cuz. She ain't got no beard, ugly. Show y'all, boy, what she looking like. You feel me? But I just watched her today too, so you know what I'm saying? She looking very spiffy. That's what's going on. But yeah, y'all see the green going on. But look, man, Olivia back plain Jane, cuz. She back plain Jane. But y'all see we got a flow series going on. These 101, man. These 101. Niggas ain't got these. Y'all boy put, you know what I'm saying, putting you down. But don't copy my style, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know niggas ain't rocking with these right here. Niggas ain't even thinking about getting these. These been out. But niggas ain't thinking about getting them. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see what's going on. Y'all boys see what's going on, man. Little nice nighttime POV drive, man. Trying to get y'all boy right. It's not a little thumbnail, but that probably gonna be a wrap, man, for the video. You feel me? I ain't gonna say probably. It is a wrap for today's video. But let me turn the fog lights on. Maybe the fog lights will get a little pizzazz. But yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Tripping. So you won't miss another banger from me, man. Like I say in all the end of my videos, for my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix, you know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, stay blessed, man, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boys build that faith, man, and build that trust, and trust in them as much as you can. And also, yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, like I say, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Chase all your dreams and goals, you feel me? Nobody can tell you no, just manifest and put in that work and stay consistent, bro. Don't give up. You feel me? If you can vision it, you know you like it, man, don't give up, bro. Just keep going, keep doing your thing, man. And yeah, like I also said on the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.